The choice for beautiful and healthy skin. Matrigen B-Tox Peel. Medical cosmetics born with a belief for beautiful skin. B-Tox Peel reconstructs the skin by penetrating the fine needles into the skin, powders and solutions that are mixed with each other, and it is composed of calming and regeneration ampoule. B-Tox powder and solution in a 1:1 ratio. Apply B-Tox Peel mixed with powder and solution in the order of forehead, cheeks, and chin. Gently press or rub so that B-Tox Peel is absorbed into the skin. Take care of various skin problems at home, like a skincare room with a short downtime of about 7 days. It delivers various ingredients that are good for the skin to the dermis layer of the skin. It penetrates into the skin with minimal irritation and is effective for epidermal regeneration and skin recovery. For those who want to receive skincare but are burdened with the cost, we recommend for those who want to hide the traces of time. The choice for beautiful and healthy skin. Matrigen.